Today we'll be talking about different cooking methods. In this video, we're going to talk about 3 cooking methods in particular. The first 3 are boiling, simmering, and braising. Simmering and braising have a lot in common, considering you simmer your water when you're braising your meat. But for the first topic, we're going to talk about boiling. Boiling is the main cooking method for stuff like vegetables and for making pasta such or like noodles. So what you're going to want to do is turn on your heat to high, let the water come to a boil. Then we're going to use these. These represent, let's say, penne pasta. Boiling is mainly used to cook something fast, so like noodles you can cook really fast, and vegetables you can cook really fast. Unlike meat, they take time, considering the meat on the inside needs more time to cook. So once it comes to a boil, you're going to want to put your pasta in the pot. Let it sit for about, it's different for each, but I'd say 10 to 12 minutes. Then you're going to want to drain your water and your pasta should be good. That's for boiling. For the next topic, we're going to talk about simmering. Boiling and simmering are quite similar but also different. Boiling is when you have bubbles rising to the top very quickly. That's how you know the water is at a boil. On the other hand, simmering is more of a soft boil when bubbles are coming up slowly and not near as many bubbles. So for simmering, mainly that's used for poaching fish. You can also cook eggs in there, like hard-boiled eggs. Not hard-boiled eggs, but poaching of fish and other items. Simmering just requires that you leave your heat at a lower temperature so that the water stays the same. Now for simmering, you're going to want to do that with steak. So for braising a steak requires a lot more time. First thing you're going to do, we're going to say we have our chunk of steak here. Place oil in, put the steak in, get the steak to a nice brown on the outside. Then we're going to take the steak out, add whatever ingredients you want, and more water. We're going to put the steak back in, and then we're going to lower the heat to make the water come to a simmer. And then you're going to add things like red wine and basically any ingredients that you want. You're going to let this steak sit for quite a while. Considering braising is when you want this steak to be like super soft, almost like falling off the bone. So this is going to take more time to cook this steak thoroughly. Once it is done though, your steak should come out and you should be able to just tear it off the bone. And that's braising. Thank you.